Costway presents this new electric ride-on car with radio controller. Made with sturdy ABS plastic, this car's got sleek lines and a refined finish. Don't worry, Mom and Dad, you have control with the RC controller. Start her up and let the little ones take charge, because this vehicle is fully equipped. Features included are a working steering wheel, gas and brake pedal. Features 3 driving modes, park and reverse. Look at that, your own horn. Make sure you signal before changing lanes. Or have a sing-along with the built-in tune. Or plug in your own tunes with your MP3 music player. Voltmeter keeps track of battery and charge up the fun with the 12-volt AC adapter. With sleek showroom design and working headlights, the little ones will have hours of fun. Come right away today with this new electric ride-on car by Costway.